Hello, hello, TpT sellers and teacherpreneurs. This is Brittany here from Teachblog Travel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Reddit as a free SEO tool to do keyword research for your TpT product listings, for your website, for your blog posts, and for any type of indexable, searchable, Googleable content on the internet. Okay, so I have quite a few tutorials up of different ways that you can use like Quora and Answer the Public and Facebook groups and even just random Google searches as SEO tools, free ones. So definitely go check those out if you haven't already, and I would highly recommend that you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Of course, it helps me out, but mostly so that you can be notified of when these new videos pop up. If you haven't watched those, go watch those too, because it can really help you out to get a better idea of what your person is looking for, and therefore how to write better headlines that hook people in, that get people to read your posts, which will help you rank higher on Google, because that's what we're hoping here, is that your listings, your blog posts come up towards the top of search for the keywords and the keyword tail phrases, long tail phrases that you use. Okay, so let's get into how we can use Reddit for this. So when you're searching on Google, you could, if you want to narrow it down to just Reddit, you can type in reddit.com and then type in what you're looking for, okay? So, or you can even just type in Reddit. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to do Reddit and memorize math facts, because I'm going to be looking to see, because I have a math store, what are people looking up or asking for when it comes to it, all right? So just right here up at the top, first one says evidence for benefits of memorizing math facts. So that could go either way. Either this person agrees that memorizing math facts is super important, and so they're looking for supporting evidence and research to back up their claim, or maybe they're trying to see whether or not it's true and they're looking for evidence to see if that's right, or maybe they think the other way and they're trying to see if they can be persuaded. Okay, so this one's talking about memorization of multiplication tables. So I'm going to go click on this one because this would be most relevant, I think, to my niche. Okay, teach myself remedial math. Okay, so this isn't a teacher. This looks like it's a student. And what's popping up here? What is going on? That's weird. Okay, one second. Okay, I figured it out. Every once in a while, a pixel will come up if they're doing some kind of tracking pixel for the website, and that popped up. Okay, so here we go. So they're wondering, other than memorizing tables, what other basic building block things can you do? So this person's saying, don't just memorize. Let's see. Oh, and then these are other related questions. Okay, so just by seeing the type of words that they search for, kind of what questions are they asking, what are the popular answers that they're getting, or comments and replies, you can get a really good sense of what people think about this topic, what do they feel, and maybe as you're looking through the comments, you might see some really common misunderstandings, or maybe there are some things that people are teaching about the particular topic that you teach about, that you create resources for, that are just wrong or incorrect. And maybe that would be a really good thing to write your pillar post on, because you're taking a stand, you're taking a position on a particular question or topic or subject and showing what you think or feel or believe, or what your experience has shown in regards to a particular topic. So that would really help you out. And then just like you would with any other research tool, whether it's Google or Answer the Public or Ubersuggest or anything else, make sure you're writing this down, because you want to copy down what people are searching for and what people are saying in response to those questions and searches in their own words. That's what's going to help you to create and craft the most compelling content and copy that converts and inspires people to take action. And that's what we want, because we want blog posts that intrigue people and make them read them. We want the value and the content to be so good that they stay on the page and read the whole thing if it's a blog post. Or if it's a product listing or a sales page, we want for them to obviously like opt in, and we want to grow our email list with that, but we also want to make sales. We're in the business of making sales as sellers on Teachers Pay Teachers, as bloggers who are monetizing our blogs. Whatever stage you're kind of in, that's what we want to be thinking about, okay? And we, of course, we want to help people, so we want to make sure that our content is good and rich and answers all of the questions. And this is just another SEO pro tip, no matter what tool you're using, free or paid or otherwise. The more questions that you can answer in your content, the deeper and the more rich of an answer you can provide, the better. So when you're searching for like one topic on Reddit, if you scroll down and see related questions, you might find something else that you could also include. Now, this is kind of a general math one. So you're seeing all kinds of random stuff here. But like for Google, when you see those related questions, you can make those your subheadings and then use the keyword phrase that you're trying to rank for in your headings, rewrite them so it makes sense and reads naturally, and then that blog post will be more likely to rank on Google. Okay, that's it for today. Super quick, easy tutorial. Again, my name is Brittany from Teach Blog Travel. Feel free to subscribe, like, and just follow my stuff in general for future tips and tutorial videos to help you rank your blog posts on Google and write more compelling copy that converts. Talk to you soon.